Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the outcome of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is showing signs of reversal again. For the last 2-3 days, gold is acting crazy. Gold is always crazy, but for the last 2-3 days, gold is extremely volatile, and it has become very difficult for us to understand the movement of gold, especially if you're a beginner new trader and you're finding it difficult to understand the movement of gold right now. Then you can skip trading on gold for the next few days, because the goal is to make money, not to trade on gold and gold only. There are lots of options. For example, you can trade on GBP, JPY, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, USD, JPY. The list is endless. You can see I also have a long list of options, because the goal is to make money, not to trade on gold. For example, if I find that we do not have any proper trading opportunities on Monday, then I will not forcefully trade on gold. I will be looking for opportunities outside gold. So you should also do that. I'm not saying that you should trade on many assets. No, you can focus on one or two assets only. But when you see that that particular asset is not giving you proper opportunities, you should also have options as backup. So this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. But before I proceed with the levels, I would like to take you to the daily chart. And this is the daily chart of gold in front of us. Gold was super bullish, as we all know, because of the trade war trade between US and China. After that, the trade war trade between US and China started easing when we saw this correction. And all the news articles were also saying that the trade war trade is gone, tensions are easing. So market also started responding, and we felt that finally we are going to have some good amount of retracement correction on gold. But market took support around this area. Not only support, market took sharp support around this area. If you have been watching my videos, then you must remember around a month ago, I guess, or around 2 to 3 weeks ago, we were discussing heavily regarding the support zone around 3130 to 3160. Remember this level, guys? We discussed that this was a very good buying opportunity for positional traders and swing traders, because of previous resistance becoming support because of the 50 moving average. But the correction was so strong, we stopped discussing, and ultimately this level worked as a support, and market is showing signs of bullishness again. So this is the overall chart of gold in front of us right now. This is the daily chart of gold, and we can see that gold has beautifully taken support around this area. To continue the downside, gold needs to break this. Then only we can expect further correction on the chart of gold. But as of now, gold is bullish. Do we have any news that can bring a trend reversal? No. Do we have any news that can make gold fly again towards 3500? No, we don't have. While recording the video, we don't have. But during the weekend, if any news comes out, then obviously we will see the response on Monday. But as of now, we don't have anything. And right now we can just see that we have a bullish chart of gold in front of us. So if you have any buy, you can hold your buy position as a swing trader or positional trader. And if you're looking for fresh positions, then you need to wait a little, because we need to switch to the hourly chart. So when the sharp bounce came, market made a high of 3252, and the structure of the market has also changed. You can see here the structure of the market was lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. And when gold formed the high of 3252, what gold formed was gold formed a higher high here. Gold, because gold broke this high, it was also a lower high, and gold formed a higher high here. And when gold bounced from 3170 area, so gold also formed a higher low. So technically gold is showing signs of reversal here. And on a daily chart also we have seen that yes, there is a possibility. But as of now, we don't have any solid fundamental reason. Okay, and we do not have any solid fundamental reason, then obviously we cannot expect that gold will be super bullish again. But still, gold is unpredictable, so we need to be careful as well. So right now, golds, okay, well, not golds. Okay, right now, gold needs to break 3250 area to continue the upside. Because if gold breaks this particular high here, then only you can expect that gold will be going up. Okay. And on the downside, gold needs to break 3100. If it breaks 3100, then only you can expect the gold will be heading towards 3000 level, or gold will be going for correction. Until unless gold breaks 3100, okay, we cannot expect that gold is going for retracement. And if gold fails to break 3250 and 3100 at the same time, the market will be sideways or choppy. So next week is going to be very important for us, because if gold breaks 3250, then we can expect in the next coming days that gold will be bullish. If it breaks 3100, we can expect the market to be bearish for the next few days, for a few days only, because gold is fundamentally always bullish. And on the other hand, if gold fails to break 3250 and 3100 at the same time, it will be sideways or choppy. This is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us, and we are on the 15 minutes chart to understand the levels better. As we all know, higher time frame, high reliability, lower time frame, low reliability. But right now, the hourly time frame is not giving us any clear-cut levels, or at least some good day trading levels. So we are looking for levels on the 15 minutes time frame. So if you're a hardcore gold lover, then only you can try to trade on these levels. But if you are looking for good trading opportunities, then gold may not be a suitable asset for you right now. You can look for good trading opportunities outside gold on other currency pairs. Okay. So the market opening, okay, now the market opening on gold is going to be important. If we see a normal market opening, okay, where the volume is not very high, okay, in that case, we can look for a selling opportunity of 40 to 50 pips only, okay, around 3215. This is the first level where you can look for a selling opportunity for 40 to 50 pips. Keep in mind, if you miss the opportunity second time, do not enter, because second time there's a high chance that market may break 3215 and market may go up and your SL will be hit. Means one level, okay, one level, one trade policy. So the market opening is going to be important. If we see a normal market opening where there is not much volume and volatility, okay, you can look for a selling opportunity around 3215 if you see the market is showing price rejection from above. When market will hit 3215 area, wait for 1 to 2 minutes. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, hit the sell button and you can expect a TP of 40 to 50 pips. In an uncertain market like this, where the direction of the market is not clear, 40 to 50 pips is also decent enough. Because when the direction of the market will be clear, you can expect 200, 300 pips. But when the direction is not clear, you need to learn to be happy with lesser profit as well. So 3215 is the first level where you can look for a sell opportunity, and second level is around 3232. This is the second selling opportunity on the chart of gold, where we can look for a sell position as a day trader. Okay, how much we can expect? Here also we can expect 40 to 50 pips only. Okay, these are FIBO levels. You can see this is a FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and this is a FIBO 78.6% retracement level. Okay, and yes, we also have a resistance around this area, and here also the previous support will be working as resistance. That's why we are expecting a sell opportunity. But if you see that there is a sudden bullish opening, market is extremely bullish after the market opening, then obviously you need to use your common sense. For example, when market was recovering sharply, okay, 2 days ago, many of you were taking sell positions. Don't repeat the mistake. So here, if you see the market is showing price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button. And as I said, okay, market needs to break 3250 area, 3252 or this previous high here, then only we can expect the market to continue the upside. Okay, and if market breaks 3216 area, then also you can look for a buy position, but that is optional. Okay, that is optional. So these are the I won't say very good trading opportunities, weak trading opportunities on the chart of gold if market goes up after the market opening. Keep in mind, okay, that during the weekend, if any news comes out and market, okay, starts responding at the market opening, then nothing is going to work. So stay in touch with the news because as we all know, okay, gold is very responsive to news. And after the market opening, if gold comes down, then logically we have a good support around 3160, 3155 area because of previous bounce around this area. Okay, but as we can clearly see right now, the 3160, not 6050, 3160, 3155. Logically, this is a very good support, but the problem is that the support is far away from the current market price. So chances of market, okay, coming down to this support on Monday, especially during the first half, is very less. So if you are a very strong lover of gold, then obviously this may not be an ideal level. If opportunity comes, market takes support, that is a different story. But okay, but if you want some immediate opportunities, then you can try this. You can see here I have drawn FIBO again from the uh, lowest point of the chart to the highest point of the chart. The first level is around 3192. This is our FIBO 0.236 and also previous resistance working as support. Then we have a level around 3185. Then we have another level around 3179 and then 3173. These are the 4 FIBO levels where we can look for a quick buy opportunity on Monday for 40 to 50 pips again. These are all day trading opportunities on the chart of gold. If you are looking for 80 pips, 100 pips, then obviously this is not the ideal time to look for these trades because you also need to respect the market condition. In a trending market or in a clean swing market, that you can expect. But when the trend of the market is not clear, we don't know in which direction the market is going. Okay, you need to be learn to happy with okay 40 or 50 pips as well. So here, okay, if you want to take some quick trades for 40 or 50 pips, you can try this. You can see here all these are fib levels here, so obviously they are not very strong. If any news comes out, market will break them all at once. Okay, but if you see the market is coming down, there is not much volatility in the market, you can look for a buy around this area. Again, same policy, one level, one touch, one trade. Means market comes to 3192 on Monday, okay, and you see that already market has bounced once. Do not look for buy again. Then your next target will be the next fib of fib level of 3185. Okay, we have 4 levels here. If market stays normal, then we can expect at least 3 levels to work nicely. So let's wait and watch. And what will be the SL? The SL will also be 40 to 50 pips only. 1:1 is to reward ratio. So the market opening is going to play a major role. Okay, let's wait and watch. Okay, and let's meet on Monday again. Bye bye, take care.